Good morning, student. This is class 11th math, and today's thought is function is the heart of mathematics, because in mathematics there is lot of function like the exponential function, logarithm function, and inverse trigonometric function. These are the main part of the mathematics. So you can say that function is the heart of mathematics. Now today's date is 16th of August 2021, and it is exercise 1.5 from the sets, and it is question number 3. What it is? Taking the set of a natural number. Taking the set of a natural number as a universal set. Means you have to take set of a natural number as a universal set. Means u is equal to started from 1 and add to infinite. 1, 2, 3, 4 and infinite. It is a universal set. Write down complement of the following set. You have to write down the complement of a set which is given here. This is first part is given that x is such that x is a even natural number. So you know that what is the complement of a set A? Suppose it is a set A, then complement of A is written as A dash. This is u minus A. Means you have to subtract this set from a universal set. From a universal set. It is given that x is such that x is an even natural number. It is given that x is such that x is even natural number. So complement of this, let this is A. Let A is equal to this one. Then A dash which is equal to u minus A. This is equal to, if you are taking out the even natural number from a set of a natural number, then it's only remains the odd natural number. Means this is x is such that x, the complement of say A is A dash, this is x is such that x is an odd natural number. This is the complement of A here. Now we move on the second part. Second part is given that x is such that x is an odd natural number. So firstly let b is equal to x is such that x is an odd natural number. Then b dash is equal to, it is u minus b. This one is equal to, you know that if you are taking the odd natural number from the set of a natural number, then it only remains the even natural number. Means here it is x is such that x is an even natural number. This is the complement of set which is x is such that x is odd natural number. Now we move on the third part of the question. It is given that the third part of the question is given that this is x is such that x is the positive multiple of 3. Let c is equal to x is such that x is a positive multiple of 3. Then complement of this c dash is equal to u minus c. This is, you know that if you are taking out the multiple of 3 from a set of a natural number, then it's remain x is such that x is not a multiple of 3, not a multiple of 3. So it is x is such that x is not a multiple of 3. Now we move for the fourth part, and fourth part of the question is given here. The fourth part is given that x is such that x is a prime number. X is such that x is a prime number. It is given that x is such that x is a prime number. So complement of this set is equal to x is such that x is not a prime number. This is the complement of set. This next part, this is the fifth part, and fifth part is here, that is x is such that x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. Let E is equal to x is such that x is such that x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. So complement of this set, E dash is equal to u minus e. This is x is such that x is not a natural number, not a natural number which is divisible by 3 and 5. Now we move on the next part. This is question number 6. The question number 6 is here. It is said that question number 6 part of this question is given. X is such that x is the perfect square. X is such that x is the perfect square. So the complement of f, this is f dash, it is u minus f. This one is x is such that x is not a perfect square. Now we move on the next part. This is the 7th part of the question, and the 7th part of the question is, it is given that x is such that x is the perfect cube. X is such that x is a perfect cube. The complement of this is z dash, this is u minus z. It is x is such that x is not a perfect cube. And next part of the question is, this is question number 8. Part of this question is 8, and 8 is that x is such that x plus 5 is equal to 8. X is such that x plus 5 is equal to 8. Let h is equal to, then h dash is equal to u minus h. This is x is such that x plus 5 is not equal to 8. This is the universal set of the given set. So student, you have an idea how to find out the complement of the set in the set builder form as well as in the roster form. I think you are able to do the exercise. So you have to do the exercise 1.5 in a pair copy. Thank you, students.